I figured out what's going on. Look at this. This pigeon is attacking everybody. See, they're fighting. See? There's a big fight going on. Yeah, look at that. That's how this pigeon got injured. Oh man. He got pecked all over the place. Hey, cut it out! Stop it! Oh jeez. You're up there fighting.
I know, but those are throwbacks, like actual good throwbacks.
Oh, you poor thing. Eat up, man. You gotta get your strength back. And why you go back in a fight knowing that you're injured? Damn it. You poor thing. Damn, it's not right. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god. Oh jeez, I want to cry. It's bad. It's really bad. And they're still fighting. You know what? I gotta do something. I gotta break this thing up. What the hell?